Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. In this video, I'm showing you how to make my current favorite, that is chocolate crinkles. Medyo mahirap siyang gawin, and if you keep watching, you will know why. So let's get on with the video. Enjoy! Here are the ingredients for the recipe. I put in the description box the complete list and their corresponding measurement. Check it out. So first, we will mix the cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and the vegetable oil. Just sifting the cocoa powder right now kasi nabasa ko na it's a good way or a best practice, if you will, in baking to sift the powdered ingredients para hindi magbuo-buo and all that. Sugar, and then we whisk. Ang arte ko mag-whisk. Come on girl, put mo na yung vegetable oil. Here comes the oil. Yeah, so we will keep whisking or mixing the stuff until the texture becomes shiny and blackish dough. So. Whisking, keep eating the ingredients until we achieve the blackish texture. Okay, just don't mind the background, guys. Yeah, so I said earlier that hindi ako masyadong nadalian or nahirapan akong sa paggawa nito because I didn't have a stand mixer. If I had it, I would have been just put all the ingredients there and it will take care of itself. But yeah, I'm using a wooden spoon and a little help from the spatula. And it's all good. There you go. So after this, we'll put the eggs in the mixture. And then we mix, and then we'll do it again. After the eggs are put, we will pour in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Keep mixing thoroughly. Ito na yung itsura ng mixture. We're now getting ready to mix in the powdered ingredients. So in a separate bowl, we're gonna mix the flour, baking powder, and salt. enough so that the ingredients are combined. Make sure to not overbeat. That's the hard part. It's so hard. You can do it, Jamie. Go, go, go. And now we're done making the dough. Yay! Right now it's chilling in the refrigerator overnight. We are now ready to scoop out the chilled doughs and roll them into small round balls. First, I have to get to the table, back to the dining table, where I will do it. This is how I prepare the baking sheets. So using a teaspoon, I'm scooping the dough and making small round balls. After which I will put in the powdered sugar, or what we call confectioner sugar. I'm not sure if that's correct, but yeah, that's it. Getting you a closer look at how I roll the ball in the powdered sugar. And then after rolling the ball in the sugar, I'll put it in the baking sheet. And I'll do it for the rest of the dough. We're almost there. Yeah, halfway through lining them up in the sheet. And giving them a gentle press. As of this moment, the oven is already being preheated at 350 degrees. And once I'm done with this, we're gonna bake the cookies or the crinkles for 10 to 15 minutes. Ta-da! Here are the cookies. Yummy! You can try this at home too. I hope you enjoyed watching me bake. Don't forget to like and comment down below if you did. Click the subscribe button to see more on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!